The Creepshow game isn't dead after all, as it's set to make a comeback soon. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech news. Although things have been quiet around the video game spin-off of Shudder's horror anthology series since it was announced a few years ago, the Steam page just went live with a release window that's surprisingly nearer than you think. That's right, the horror game is coming to you in August 2026. Creepshow is a point-and-click adventure that, according to developer PHL Collective, has gone all kinds of wrong as it's being published by the mortuary assistant publisher Dread XP. In Creepshow, the game, the players will follow Danny and his friends as a bad day at the mall spirals into something much darker. Their search for the truth behind Danny's father leads them to the Reader, a mysterious fortune teller with a taste for treacherous tales. Going back to the original anthology films from the 1980s, Creepshow has always blended horror with a dash of humor, and the description indicates the video game will stick to that tone. It also features pulp-inspired visuals, dark humor, comic book environments, horror mini-games, and endings you won't see coming. But there's no information on which consoles it's going to release, so for now, it looks like it's only going to be coming to PC. So mark your calendars for August. Creepshow is going to serve you 1980s-style horror anthology like no one else. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.